Here's how to create a WooCommerce buy one, get one free offer that actually works the way you want it to. The Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin lets you pick exactly which products get the deal, instead of making your entire store a discount bin. After you install it from your plugin directory and activate it, head over to Smart Coupons, then BOGO in your WordPress menu. You'll see some preset options that sound pretty generic, like buy X, get X at 50%, or buy two, get a free gift. Now here's the weird part. Even though you want a true buy one get one free deal, you'll actually click on the buy X get X at 50% option. Change the offer name to something that makes sense, like buy one get one for free. Update the description to match, because you'll thank yourself later when you're trying to remember which offer does what. Hit continue, and you're into the real setup. This is where things get interesting, because you're looking at 3 steps that control exactly how your offer behaves. The first step is all about what your customer actually gets when they trigger the deal. You'll want to search for the specific product that customers get for free. Set that quantity to 1 and make sure you see free under the discount type. This way, they're getting one complete item at 0 cost, not some confusing percentage off. Moving to the trigger settings, keep it on buys quantities of and set your minimum quantity to 1. Then you'll add the products that activate this whole thing by clicking Add under Customer Buys. Pick the exact products that need to be in someone's cart to unlock the free item. This targeted approach means you're not accidentally giving away your entire inventory. The final step controls how often customers can use this deal. Set it to once per order, so you're not dealing with people gaming the system. Save and activate makes your offer go live, but you'll want to test it first. Go check out the product page for whatever you set as the free item and add it to the cart. You should see buy one get one free applied right there on top, which is exactly what customers will see too. When someone adds your trigger product twice to their cart, that second item drops to free automatically. The cart shows both products clearly, with the free one marked buy one get one for free and discounted down to $0. Your cart totals will show the discount amount so customers can see their savings. This whole setup gives you complete control over which products participate in your BOGO offer instead of applying it across your entire store.